Today I'm going to do a quick video on where to place a GoPro or GoPro's suction mount on a car. When I first did a few car shoots I wasn't too sure really where the best place to put the suction cap, so I thought this might be useful for people that have not done it before, beginners, and I brought along the Cobra, which you can probably just about see a little bit out of focus in the background. And I brought that because that's probably the more complicated one to actually mount GoPros onto. There's less surface area, i.e. no roof, and almost every surface on it is curved, so it all adds to the complexity and the difficulty. So it's fairly quick, it's all demo rather than me chatting, so let's get to it and I'll see you after the intro. This is the sort of standard option that I have. So suction mount, it's GoPro's own mount, and there's multiple options in terms of the little brackets that you can add to it to give you flexibility. Another example here. So I have two, it just makes it easier and speeds up the filming by half, strangely enough, having two. Strange, that maths, isn't it? And so I've got a long reach one there with an angle, and I've got loads of them. So I have a whole little box of goodies here that we can use to do different mounts and different setups depending on where I need to mount it and what framing that I need. Okay, so let's have a look at a couple of basic setups. So to put the mount on, it's got a plastic suction cup. Press it down where you want it. There's a button in the middle here which says, strange enough, press that down. You'll see that sort of forces the air out, and then you can put that over. It gives you a nice sturdy mount, and this is on a curved surface as well, so it's still fairly stable even on the curve of the wheel arch. To remove, lift it up, and then there's a tab on the plastic suction cup which you can just peel up. Karma Sutra of the GoPro on a Cobra. As I said earlier, if you've got a tin top then you've got a lot more options in terms of roof space and glass and what have you. But a little bit more limited on the Cobra, made worse by the fact there's no straight panel on it. But anyway, there you go. So we'll see you on the next one. Hopefully if you like this then please consider subscribing, like, comment, all those normal sort of things, and see you again. Take care. Bye.